Hello, this is Moshe Nave and I'm Community Advocate in the SAP community. Today, I would like to talk to you about UI5con. It all started in 2016 as a side project from a group of external and internal volunteers who share the same passion for UI5. Motivated by the huge success of the first event, UI5con kept the yearly tradition of bringing developers, architects, and other people who are interested in UI5 together in an authentic and memorable gathering. This year, July 7th and 8th are the days you definitely want to dedicate to this inspiring two-day event on UI5 technology and community. This year, you can expect 4 workshops and 14 presentations focused on the Open UI5 and the intertwining of other UI technologies together, such as UI5 Web Components, SAP Fiori Elements and Smart Controls, UI5 Developer Tools, TypeScript in UI5, Micro Front-End Concepts, React in UI5, and more. More details on Con UI5 can be found in the blog post, which is linked from the intro of this video. Thank you.
You might know already about our Community Spotlight topic, which we have on a monthly basis in SAP Community. There we are going to partner with SAP product experts around that specific topic. The idea is to bring deeper knowledge about the topic to our community members. In July, we are focusing on Kyma, or better say SAP Business Technology Platform, Kyma Runtime. There will be a lot of different blog posts, new videos, tutorials, and also a coding challenge. For the coding challenge, please subscribe to our community groups, the Coffee Corner discussion group, so that you can get regular updates on the status of the coding challenge. There's also a brand new topic page for Kyma in SAP Community, where there will be a lot of updated information as well. I finally want to highlight the SAP Community Call on July 21st with my colleague Piotr Tesny. He is a partner solution architect and he's talking about the value proposition of SAP B2B Kyma Runtime. So there's definitely a lot to explore. Simply tune in to community.sap.com and find directly on the homepage the topic of the month, the Spotlight topic. Looking forward to seeing you there.
Hi SAP community, I'm excited and happy to let you know about the fact that we launched our To the SAP Community 2022 tutorial. It's a new version of our already existing To the SAP Community tutorial because of the reason that we launched a lot of new content already in 2022, such as groups, our Welcome Corner group, event listing in groups, and new event missions that we launched in the beginning of the year. So this is basically not only for newcomers and new community members, but for everyone to refresh their knowledge about the community and learn about the various areas in the community. Everyone will learn something new. And to read more about the tutorial, my colleague Laura posted a blog post with all the information that you need to know. It is a 9-step tutorial with a lot of video content also to watch, not only read the content, and some test questions to validate whether you went through it thoroughly. And of course, with the completion, you will receive our To the SAP Community 2022 badge. I hope you have fun. Please let us know your feedback in the blog post that I mentioned. And yeah, I see you soon.